Alright guys, so I have had a problem with my boat charging, and I could not figure out why I had a bad connection. So I plug in my wires and I got it all plugged in. I pull my batteries out and I have, I go that way. You can see on my unit so number one, clean all of your connections here, here, and here. I have a 2 battery trolling motor that equals 24 volts, and right here I had it all tipped up and I had a bad connection. Batteries were not charging. So number one, I'm gonna unplug my power. Number two, wear a garment, if you have one, that has a zippered front pocket. Of course, it's been raining non-stop here. Before I twist them together, I have some shrink tubing, and I'm gonna put that over the wire like so. Now I bring them together, twist, 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 make sure they are connected well. Then I'm gonna pull out my tape, bringing that one wire back so it's flat. Then I'm gonna wrap those wires. I want a good connection. Before you put the shrink wrap on, make sure that battery is charging. Then you gotta start all over again. But get your tape on the connection. It's tape, so it won't take that long to pull it back off. I want to make sure that is wrapped well. So let's plug in our boat. All right, here we go. It should go yellow and not blink. There we go. Problem fixed. Now, shrink wrap. I have some heat shrink wrap and a torch. Slide that shrink wrap over and slowly heat it up. Good to go. Sweet, right on. Literally is that simple. If that ever happens, don't panic. It is a very, very easy fix. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good night, guys. We'll see you on Monday. Trap build is coming along great. Part 3 of our little series is a rod holder for the roof. See you on Monday.